has issued a child abduction alert for the following counties/areas: Seminole County, Florida, and Volusia County, Florida, until further notice. Nicole Watterson, age 12, has been abducted from her home by a tall man 6 feet tall, wearing a dark suit, has white face and wearing a dark tie. Citizens must remain inside until the suspect is captured. Anyone is caught outside will be arrested. Citizens must lock all doors, windows, and curtains until further notice. This is not a drill. Stay tuned for more information.